The sound of rain. You hear it? It's beautiful. Yeah, you might be thinking, crazy lady back here talking about things that we take for granted, you know. When I was in Coimbatore recently, I had an opportunity to expand my mind, open my eyes and my heart to see what experiences are in store for me. The weather is pretty much the same, going back and forth, hot, cold, rain, everywhere. Very beautiful place it was, but the rain was loud, and I had this pop up message in my mind, the sound of rain. And I knew then that there was going to be a session on that, but it never got to manifest until now when I heard the sound of rain again here in my home. It's been a while since it rained like this here. I've been here for a couple of weeks now after I came back. See, what I mean to share is all around us there are beautiful things to see and beautiful sounds to hear. We're going somewhere with this, so be with me. And for me at that time, what we call darshan is to see. Anything that you experience in your body, mind, and spirit, which actually touches your heart in such a way, it's unseen, isn't it? These kind of feelings are not so obvious unless you give some words to it or you express your feelings. That is, if you're on the side of truth and honesty. We are deleting the deception side and the making up stuff side. We're here on the side of truth and as honest as we can be to express our feeling. But for that, we need awareness. Our ears need to be open, our eyes need to be open, isn't it? And you have to be connected with that spirit to be able to experience it. But in that moment when that experience downloads inside of you, from within or from outside, which stimulates it, and you get connected with that, you become one and you feel so big and you feel connected, you don't feel lonely, and there is a spark of a joy. And in that moment when you're experiencing that presence of joy and peace, that is God, that is love. In that moment when you folded your hands and you're looking at something so beautiful, somebody looking at you with love, somebody touching you with a hand of healing, and that moment we are not remembering to be sad about somebody did something to us or some other baggage that we're carrying that we need to resolve, isn't it? We're not. So this darshan download came a while ago when I heard the sound of rain, and I said to myself, I have never told you how beautiful you sing your song of rain when you shower upon us. It was so beautiful. So I sat with the sound, I just connected with the sound of rain, and it just sank into me, because I am a person who loves sounds. I'm a rhythm person, and now I'm getting to a state where my body, mind, and the spirit is totally just walking around dancing in the space for however long this body has to live. I'm reminding myself every day to make beautiful sounds. I am into percussion. I love the drums. It's very therapeutic. It's very relaxing because your body starts to move with the rhythm of the beat and you feel good. Everybody loves music. You have experience listening to a song or a beat that you like. You know what I'm talking about. When nature is teaching us so beautifully, why not human beings who is made of all that material? We are made of everything. That's why they say that the universe is within you. Why not we rise up to make sure that we make beautiful sounds? It doesn't matter what you're thinking, even the thoughts in the mind can actually float around like soft, beautiful bubbles that doesn't clash and make sounds and noise, and it radiates through your body when you start to uh, relax and meditate in that way. You're not throwing your dishes, you're not breaking anything while doing it's a soft energy, it's a soft power. And in bringing that energy into the words, we are so blessed. We have languages, we can communicate with people, we have words to express, but how beautiful it would be if we can express our love, kindness and everything in the words that we're saying. Trust me, I've come from a family where shouting and fighting was normal. I never liked it. I always clung with people, with girls and friends who were soft spoken, because I didn't have it, I didn't inherit it. This was made, this is created. And it soothes my own soul when I think like this softly and talk to myself in a way that I can hear Him. I can hear the voice of God. I can hear the sound of love. Then magical things can happen. Magical things can happen. The power of anger and all that shouting and oppression, all that, it just diffuses. It doesn't exist. So we as human beings can give darshan, we can exhibit ourselves, we can make ourselves be seen in such beautiful ways, in so many ways, that will actually create peace and harmony in your own life and whoever you're with. You just don't join that other party, which demands hatred, which demands equal and opposite forces of war, anger, everything. Come on, it's time now that we have to get to a level where a human being can experience what we came to experience and what we are capable of experiencing, isn't it? You just decide. You wake up and you tell yourself, I'm not going to fight today. I am not going to repeat the patterns. I am not going to yell at my kid. Because it does feel bad, good people, when we do bad things, it is just it's devastating. So where is it coming from, right? Where are these energies coming from? There was a time when there was absolutely no control. It would just erupt and it would start to do its thing, and you're just so embarrassed and ashamed, the witness and the person inside watching, where is this coming from? What did I do to carry such a baggage? So then you start to think it's coming from me, so let me take responsibility from it. Let me see how I can. Yeah, there is karma, there is all that. But when we also put in the effort to clean it up, then it gets softened up, it gets mellow. Certainly doable. You don't have to accept I'm an angry person, I do shout, I get offended. You don't have to accept that, because it's delusion. It's not the real part and form of a human being. There is a side, but we don't have to be on that side. And as we keep developing this side, and the character starts to shine, it ends in love, it ends in wisdom, and then you bow down. You have such respectful energy within you. Nothing can touch you. Doesn't matter what's happening all around you. Even within, then when it starts to erupt in the mind and all, you just watch it go by. You don't react to it, you don't take it seriously, you don't act on it, and it just goes away. It's like a cloud. Even the part that starts to feel guilty about it, I shouldn't have done that, I should have done this, I should this, that, even that, every kind of negative sounds that the mind creates in the form of thoughts, and the mouth speaks in the form of words. Don't use harsh words. He said, one time, don't use harsh words. He was actually telling somebody else. But any lesson you hear, you take it and you apply it. There is always some kind of a chiseling to do, and you always keep fine-tuning your character, your behavior, and you change it. And as you grow more beautiful song, you start to see that within you, and it's really, really amazing to be in that state of mind and the space where even if there is nobody around you, you radiate so much love and you feel it in your heart. You're not sitting here thinking about the person and hating them, and hate hurts, but heart is soft. It's supposed to love. Shouldn't hurt. Should not hurt, isn't it? So he's come from back door, and he's been pushing and pushing and pushing until we get aligned with him and start doing the work with him. A lot of work has been done, and I bow down. It's just a choice to make, to be able to think right, think well, and live right and feel good. For the rest of the time we have, it's not much, Let us come together in love and strengthen our goodness. Nothing else is worth it. Reacting to evil, or even lying to ourselves that we're going to change the evil. No, evil is evil. It's going to be. The darkness is dark, right? Black is black, white is white. That's not going to change. So we learned from it what not to do. We make a choice to eliminate it. We accept what we are made of in life and love, and we live life experiencing what it has to give us. Simple, isn't it? Let it rise. Don't be shy to be good. Don't be embarrassed to change in front of that mocking, evil sounds of devaluing energies. Don't let it affect you. You're stronger than you think. You're more beautiful than you even know. You have so many gifts within you that you haven't even tapped into to do many more greater works on earth. There's no comparison, each one has their own path, way, and gifts. Each child of God has what he's made of. It's just a part of God. And you can experience the complete wholeness in that from that very part. It's the same. So even if it's one drop from the essence, it has all the qualities of it, isn't it? Like a cell. Every cell in your body is made of the same thing that you're made of. So when every cell in your body is radiating love and kindness and all the goodness, and you're strong enough to not react to people devaluing you, because you know your own value and you know the truth that you've been working on and acting on. It's very rewarding. We all want to win, but not at the cost of hurting somebody else or putting down somebody else. Now there is noise of auto. That is not a great sound to be with, but I am finally done justice to the sound of rain today. Very beautiful. Just look around, take some space, breathe, instead of filling it with all kinds of things that take us further and further away from that joy and peace that we're actually here to experience. Then that kind of stains into every part of you. Whatever you do, you are a whole person now. It's not erupting with broken parts. The intelligence is integrated into a character so strong and beautiful that you are able to cope with something that you were not able to cope with. Certain things are not forgivable, so we shouldn't deny it, or we shouldn't be lying to ourselves. Some of the things that has been happening for eternity. What is good, and it will remain good. The separation is happening now. If you are contaminated with some of their energies, then they stick around to eat off of you, feed off of you. But when you make a choice to say no, it will go away, it will fall away. And all that remains is good sounds, beautiful sounds that you can make. You live it like a dance. You're dancing to the rhythm, You don't want to miss a beat or you go wrong, right? Accept it. It's a gift. It's a gift from within, and everybody has it. No need to be distracted by all that. You focus, you keep your path straight and good, and you keep working on it. Watch how you shine in your life. When you start to believe and experience, there is a spirit within that's leading you through, it's guiding you through. It seems like there are two people inside of you, but they're one actually. Try it. Listen to the sound of rain and just be with it. And feel beautiful. It's okay to be beautiful. None of the nature, they're not shy at all. We even see it in animals when they express joy or love, or so sweet and so adorable. We need to get back our innocence. We need to get back our territory in our hearts to love again, to live again. Are you with me? I hope so. And the weak and the meek shall indeed inherit the earth, but we should also be strong enough, to not let everyone push you around and be a slave. Basically, we're becoming free from that slavery mind. No, you're not bound by anything or anyone. You're free. You're free to express your sounds of love, giving, all that wonderful things. Don't be scared. You watch, look out for the opportunity to be good, and you just shine. And you'll become that one who touches the many. You're not expecting anything, you're just being that. It just automatically happens. You spread that beautiful sound of love. Fill this earth with your goodness. If it is a song, sing it. Everybody has a voice to make a sound. We just have to train ourselves to use it well. Use it properly, use it respectfully. Okay? So that's my version of the sound of rain. Thank you so much for today's rain and being in the presence of another beautiful natural happening that touches your mind and heart to express beautiful words from the place of love. Enjoy. If it's raining in your place, enjoy. And we will see you again soon. Take care.